It comes with a charging tray made of the same materials as your Mimio teach, as hard plastic and Teflon. It comes with 4 capsules. So there's black, blue, green, and red. It also comes with a pack of markers, Expo markers. Last but not least, it comes with your electronic eraser. I want to go through exactly why you're going to need this particular item. And it also comes with a holder. Alright? So these are to hold your capsules like so. Now, just like the teach, it uses a magnetic pull. But in case your board does not have a metal backing, it also comes with 3 metal brackets. And it has the same grooves as the Mimio teach. So you apply them right here. Honestly, you don't need 3. Only 2 will do. Come with the same double-sided tape. So again, no special double-sided tape is needed. Any regular double-sided tape will do. So you attach these to the back, and you put it onto whatever surface you're working with. All right? In this case, I do have a metal backboard, so I can just stick this on here. Just like that. And that is solely for your convenience. If your capsules are already charged, you do not need the charging tray. All you would need is your holder. You then put to your board and then stick your capsules in. It also has a nice little slot for your eraser. You can put that right there. So you're not back and forth from one place to the other. Everything is here available to you. And of course, your charging tray comes with all the various areas where you can put all 4 capsules as well as the eraser. The whole concept behind the Mimio capture tray is that whatever it is that you write or draw on your whiteboard, you'll be able to capture it digitally on your laptop. You're able to then write those notes, have them prepared ahead of time, so it saves you time and it gives the student more time for you to actually speak with them, work with them within the time frame that you have. All right? So we talked about having you being in interactive mode for teach. For the capture tray, you need to be in your capture mode. Just like your Mimio stylus pen, you need to make sure that your capsules are charged. How you know that is when you press the end, you hear that buzzing sound. Remember, there are 2 reasons why you wouldn't hear that buzzing sound. It's either it's not charged or there's a manufacturer issue. If there's a manufacturer issue, do we know what to do? You need to report it, right? And what happens that when you report it, then it filtered down to Collect Smart Wood. Then once it's within that 5-year time period that your warranty will come for, we will then come to your school and replace the devices free of charge. Once we determine it's a manufacturer issue, you'll get a new device. No questions asked. Now, to write your notes, say for instance, you're doing science. Now, before I go any further, for this particular device, you do not need a projector. You need your teach, you need your capture tray, and you need your laptop. You do not need a projector. The only reason I'm using a projector is for your benefit, so you can see what exactly is happening on my laptop. So your topic is insects. Everybody seeing? All Alright, so these are my notes, but I'm not finished yet because as you can see, I've run out of space. Remember how we got to the new slide when you're using Teach? Alright, good. So what you're going to use, remember I told you about these two buttons on the Teach bar? Top button is what? Top button is how you calibrate. Right. The bottom button is your shortcut menu. Now once you're in capture mode, your shortcut menu now becomes your new page. So that's what you press to get your new page. Everybody saw that? So I can go ahead and rub out all of this. And I continue writing my notes. It's duplicated because you're not only seeing what I'm writing on the board, but also what's on my laptop. So remember, you're not supposed to be using a projector. The projector is just for you all can see what's on my laptop right now. So if I rub this out, my notes are still there. Now if you notice, when I use the regular eraser, it erases from the board but not the laptop, right? Okay. Now your electronic eraser works just like your capsule in terms of if you're hearing the buzz, it means that it's charged. If you're not hearing the buzz, there is a manufacturer issue. For you to erase from the board and the laptop, you're going to need your electronic eraser. So you notice I use a regular eraser and it does not erase from the laptop. If I were to use my electronic eraser though, it's gone. So bear in mind, if you want to erase from your whiteboard and your laptop, you need your electronic eraser. If it's that you want to erase just from the whiteboard only, your regular dry erase eraser. Alright? Another thing, in the capsule itself, there are sensors to the bottom. What marker you use is very important. The reason that the expo markers are used is because it has a particular shape. Now once you drop the marker in the capsule, because of the shape of the marker, it will then touch the necessary ends for the sensor to then be active. Do you have to use expo markers? No. What you need is a marker that has this shape. And what we've found is that sharp markers also have this particular shape.